We're going to have our eye on the radar this afternoon and this evening for some isolated strong and severe thunderstorms to pop up. We already had a shower with thunder and lightning that rolled right along the coastline. People getting back out to the beach now in Narragansett as the skies are doing some clearing. In the next several hours look fairly quiet along the coastline, and the atmosphere is going to be so ripe for storms to develop that we really can't rule out any popping up at any point this afternoon. But right now things are quiet in Providence. The temperatures, they're in the middle 80s, but when you add in that very high humidity, it makes that feel like temperature climb into the 90s. Those dew points right now just off the charts for us. Westerly 78, that's the dew point temperature, a measure of the moisture content in the atmosphere. Anytime it gets above 70, that's when it feels oppressive. So we certainly have that in place this afternoon. Temperatures in Willimantic already up nearly to 90, Hartford as well. And now as we've been breaking into some sunshine from west to east across southeastern New England, temperatures are going to climb up to near 92, and it'll feel even hotter than that. We're thinking the heat index climbs into the mid 90s this afternoon. So one thing to keep in mind is to keep an eye to the sky. Barry's remnants will bring the potential for some severe storms. We'll keep showers and downpours in the forecast into Thursday, and we're going to keep that sultry feel going too with that high humidity right into the weekend. And we're still tracking the potential for a heat wave Friday through Sunday, where high temperatures will be up near or above 90 degrees for 3 consecutive days. You have to hit that 90-degree mark 3 days in a row. All right, we've been tracking this thunderstorm. It rolled right across the Rhode Island coastline, Block Island, now over Martha's Vineyard and Nantucket. Downpours and some frequent lightning as that came through. If we widen out the view, we've got a cold front and Barry's remnants again combining to give us those showers and thunderstorms. Here's where the clearing is, that sunshine that we're breaking into, and potential anywhere in this yellow area to see some strong or severe thunderstorms. This is where the greatest risk is, and you can see that it does encompass Rhode Island and most of southeastern Massachusetts, with damaging wind gusts being the main concern. So this is 3 o'clock in the afternoon. An isolated storm possible, but notice most of the activity is still to the north of us. Then it starts to drop southward. So during the evening hours, shower thunderstorm chances increasing. Some of that will be heavy at times. We're concerned about rainfall rates, maybe an inch or two an hour as these downpours pass through. So could lead to some localized street or poor drainage, flooding. 6 o'clock tomorrow morning and right into the afternoon, off and on showers. Thursday tomorrow, much cooler day for us. We're going to only be in the 70s, but it's only a brief break from the heat. This evening, we're still in at 85 degrees at 6 o'clock, then cooling into the 70s. We stay in the 70s most of the night with those off and on showers and downpours, some of them heavy at times, with rainfall totals from this system by the time we hit tomorrow night, as much as 1 to 3 inches of rainfall. So your lawns and gardens will certainly be happy. 90 today. I have us back up near 90 on Friday. We'll start off Friday with kind of a murky start. Clouds, fog, maybe a little bit of lingering drizzle, but skies clear out and the temperatures hit highs near 90. And with the high humidity, that heat index will be back into the middle 90s. On the weekend, this is where we get into potentially dangerous heat, especially if you need to take some common sense precautions here to stay out of this and do any strenuous activities. In the very early morning hours, that heat index will be up between 105 and 109. Sunday, it's more of the same, mid 90s with the heat index above 105. I would not be surprised within the next day or two for us to start getting maybe some excessive heat watches or heat advisories issued for the upcoming weekend. We'll keep you updated on the radar too as we continue to track any storms that pop up.
All right, thank you, Michelle.